Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is crucial when working with electrical appliances. Now, let's proceed to remove the outer casing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the back of the unit. There are 4 screws to remove. As you take them out, keep them in a safe place to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the casing off. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Here's where you might want to clean the interior of your appliance. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or residue. This is a great opportunity to maintain your Thermomix, ensuring it runs efficiently. Next, you'll see the control panel. It's connected by several clips that secure it in place. Carefully unclip these without applying too much force. If you find it challenging, a flathead screwdriver can assist in gently prying the panel away. If you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. Once the control panel is free, disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. Make sure to note how it is connected for reassembly later. Now, take your new control panel and connect the wiring harness. Ensure it clicks into place securely. With the new panel ready, align it with the clips on the top of the unit. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. Next, replace the outer casing. Align it properly and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Tighten them adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this could crack the casing. Now, before you plug your Thermomix back in, take a moment to clean any surfaces you might have touched during the process. This ensures that your appliance remains in top condition. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and test the new control panel. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your control panel. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any surprises. Thanks for following along with this DIY guide on replacing the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. We hope this tutorial was helpful and encourages you to take on more repairs in the future. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.